Yes, Muhammad Ali, how are you?
Where I am. Finally, you took me to the channel.
Yes,
Since
yes.
5 hours, I'm waiting.
Why will we not take you in our channel?
What?
Yeah, why
You
will we
are
not take
telling
you
us
on the channel when
finally.
you will come? When you'll come, when the everyone comes in the line, when your time will come, we will take you. Number one. Number two,
No, I'm
when the
saying,
presentation is running, listen. When the presentation is running, if you would be listening to our stream, you would know that during the presentation, nobody will come up. We said it before the presentation. If anybody wants to talk about this, it will have to be done after the presentation because the presentation is running. So when the teacher is giving a presentation, a lecture, nobody comes. When
look,
he's finished, then anybody can come. So you were waiting in the backstage just like everybody else was waiting to finish the presentation. When the presentation was finished, we took the people in the line in the order they came. But at that time you ran away. So now you
not run
came
away.
in.
How can I
You
wait 3 hours, 2 hours by just watching?
It's all up to
Um,
you, brother. We never
exactly.
asked
No.
you that you have to wait. Neither did we said that whenever you come in, we will take you and break the line. We never said that. You
Okay.
are not a mufti, you're not a scholar, that we will have to give you a special importance. Just like any other Muslim who
Hmm.
comes, we give respect to everyone who comes and join our channel, and it will be in the order they come in to the backstage. In the backstage, there is always a queue, and we take it according to the queue, right? So now, instead of playing a victim card as you always do, would you like to talk?
Yes, I want to talk. No problem.
Okay, thank you so very much. Now,
Uh, I will
have you
explain.
prepared for? Have you did you prepare for the things that we discussed last time? That you have to show us Muhammad from outside Islam, and you have to show us that Allah is the Makkar, Allah is the deceiver, Allah
Actually,
is a
look.
model. Have you prepared anything on those? Because you said, let's talk about something else. And I gave you the chance to show one of your so called miracles, which is so stupid. Everybody loved the stupidity. Some of the people didn't had a few brain cells because of this discussion. But
That's
anyhow,
because of lack
did
of
you
math of you.
did you
You don't have
did
math.
you
You know.
did you study the real part where things were actually clear rather than unclear?
No, I have already
No,
all
you
the
didn't.
parts. I already have all the parts. But the point is that you have lack of info. Now I will give you some examples.
No, there is
The
no lack of
info,
info. There is no
the
lack of
proof that
info.
I gave about Muhammad alayhi salam, this is a historical record and the
No, there is no
archaeological
historical
proof.
record.
It
No,
is
it's
an
not.
archaeological proof. In Birmingham
No.
University, it is exist. If you don't
No,
accept
I
it, then
showed
I
it to
will
you.
tell
Number
you.
one, you did not.
Can you
Okay,
prove me
you.
your existence? Right now, can you prove me your existence?
Yeah, my
Then
existence
I will say
is
I
that
don't
I'm
accept you.
speaking. I'm
The way
speaking
you
right now.
behave is
That's my
not
existence.
accepted.
That's my proof.
Hmm?
That is my proof. I'm speaking. Can you
Okay,
Muhammad speak? No,
that
he can't.
archaeological proof that in Birmingham University it is speaking to us and it is a proof for
No,
me.
it's not. It's not
You
there.
just
You're
want to
wrong.
close your eyes. You don't want to see. That's what I
No,
can
you
see.
have
What
not
can I
even
do?
shown this.
No, man. Yesterday,
There's
the
no
picture I
Muhammad
show
there.
is from
There
Birmingham
is no
University.
Muhammad there. I
What do you mean? ما كان
have
محمد
you
أبا أحد من
have
رجالكم.
you
It's not this
seen
word.
have
It
you
was this
seen
word.
have you heard what I said when you showed the on screen? I said zoom in. When you zoomed in, I said there is no Muhammad here.
I
You
was already
circled
circled it.
you
It was
circled
circled.
a stupid thing which is not Muhammad.
No, man. You don't know how to read
Yeah,
Arabic, man. Don't joke
I
with
know
me.
how to
It's not
read
a
Arabic
Muhammad.
better than you.
Believe me, you don't know. You don't know.
I do. So it
If you
wasn't
want, we
Muhammad
can
there.
even continue in Arabic and everyone can see who is in which level,
Okay,
man.
you wanna
What are you, man?
continue in Arabic? We can
Yes, we
continue
can
in
continue.
Arabic, but you know what
I
will going
can
to
easily
happen?
defeat you, no
Then you will
problem.
run away. You know why?
Firstly,
You
I
know
would
why you
like
will
to
run away?
explain some important topics in which you understand about Quran very wrongly. I want to first make this well,
Okay.
then I can
Uh,
argue other
we'll
topics.
we'll have a we'll have a apna, timer again, and you will respect the timer. I don't want to say it again and again. Last time I was watching when I played the premiere, you interrupted me many times in the middle. This time around, make sure if you interrupt me, I will put you in backstage. All
Okay,
right?
and also
I will
I
I
want
will not
something
interrupt
from you.
you. I will not interrupt you, and you will not interrupt me. So you will speak in your time. If you will give me your time, then you have given me your time. You will not interrupt me while I'm speaking because you have given me your time. Now that time is not yours, it's mine. So do
I
you
accept this.
understand? Do you
I
understand
accept,
that?
but I also want something from you. In your words, don't use stupid. Don't use. If you use this, then I will be like a mirror. Be respectful. I will also be respectful. Because how? Who are you to say me stupid? Your proof is to. How? Who are you, man? You have
I
to be
am the
respectful
one
to everyone, man.
who is
Yeah,
telling
you have
you
no big
exactly what is
ego.
written in the Quran.
Okay, you don't have to be arrogant, man. You have to be a man. You don't have to be a bad person.
No,
You have to
Allah
be
is arrogant. Allah said in the Quran, He is mutakabbir. If Allah can be mutakabbir, I can be mutakabbir.
no.
You
Allah
cannot be
deserves to be
mutakabbir because
mutakabbir.
you follow Allah. Because your Quran says, if you become mutakabbir, hell is your place. So if you cannot be mutakabbir, I can be. Because
Okay,
I am not follower of Allah.
okay.
I
Allah
claim
is,
myself to be better than Allah. This is my claim. Hence, I can be mutakabbir. You
look,
cannot.
but you have to be respectful to everyone so that it will be a
I am very respectful to any
qualified.
human being,
You are saying
but I
stupid
am
to
not
me and
respectful.
disrespect. You are saying me stupid and disrespect in your eyes, and I am a guest of you.
No, you are not my guest.
No, I am in your guest. This is your channel
No,
and
this
your
is not.
channel.
No, you are not the guest. You are here to debate.
Okay, but at the end, it is your channel and I am a guest. You must show some respect, and
Yeah,
I
so
also
I
will
can,
show respect.
I can say that your
Muhammad
argument is
Ali, can we
stupid
start
if
the
it is stupid.
discussion, please? Muhammad
You
Ali,
can just say that
can we
it doesn't make sense
can we
for me,
please
but you
start the
don't have to.
discussion?
Okay, let us continue.
Start the
Now,
let's
the
All
start
right,
the
biggest
let me give you
timer.
mistake,
the. Give him 1 minute, Salsa.
the biggest
Yes, please.
mistakes of all the Islam, Alamul Islam,
Your
is
time has
making
started.
about Quran tafsir of one verse. It is Quranun Mubin. They think that this is mean clear. It doesn't mean clear. It means zahir, which means the opposite of hidden. If something is hidden or opposite of hidden, Mubin means opposite of hidden. Whatever name you give, it is that meaning. So they think that Quran is Mubin. They think that it is clear. If it was clear, then where is what is the meaning of mutashabihat? There is mutashabihat in which only Allah knows the meaning and some scholars know. But how can you say the whole Quran is just clear? That meaning of mubin, for instance, in Quran it says thu'banun mubin. It was a very zahir snake. So the word mubin means something that is not hidden, opposite of hidden. So for batin, zahir. Something hidden, something is zahir. We see it. So Quran is mubin means it is not hidden. Why are we have to translate it as just clear?
All right, thank you so very much. Who said I'm doing the translation? No, I never did the translation. If you have a problem with the translations of the Mubin, go to your scholars, get them changed. All the translators actually said it clear. But so what? I don't care. Forget that verse. Go to chapter number 41, verse number 3. It says, Kitabun Fuddilat Ayatu Quranan Arabian Liqawmi Ya'lamun. We have given you a Quran in detailed explanation in Arabic. I'm not even talking about Mubin. Okay. Why you want to change the meaning? Go get it changed. 1689. Al Kitab Tabiyyana Likulli Shay. There you go. Chapter number 16, verse number 89. Yeah, you guys pick up a word, try to make a pretzel show. So here we have Indian pretzels. Now we are eating Turkish pretzels. That's the difference.
Look, right now it is my turn. The word fasl has a meaning of separating between haq and batil. Why I must take it as detail? You take another a wrong meaning. The word fasl has a meaning of separating between the haq and batil. Quran is a kitabun fasl. It separates between haq and batil. You don't have to take the meaning of fasl. In today modern Arabic, it is used as tafsilat. It means details. But in Quran in the time of Prophet ﷺ, the word means tafsil means to separate between two things. For instance, separation between day and night, it is fasl. So Quran is kitabun fasl. Kitabun uhkimat ayatuhu thumma fussilat min ladun hakim. The verses of Quran is separating between haq and batil. We have to understand the meaning of mubin as opposite of hidden, and the meaning of tafsil, fassalna kulla shayin tafsila, we have separated everything between haq and batil, between true and false. Did you understand my point?
I understand it clearly that you are providing such a silly argument which nobody has written in the translation. So what you are saying is that all the 50 plus translators of Arabic to English, Arabic to Hindi, Arabic to Urdu are all stupid idiots. That's what you are saying, because nobody understood that. And if we go to the tafsir, according to you, not me, Ibn Kasir is stupid, Tibri is stupid, Qurtubi is stupid, because all of them are saying that Allah gave detailed explanations. They actually write it like this. They never wrote it the way you are writing it. Is it my fault or your fault? So now you're giving me a jalebi on a lexicon which you don't even have. You don't even have. Because it says, but tafsila kulli shay. So first you went to Mubin. Now you are going to change Fadil. And Fadil is tafsila.
It's my turn. When it comes to Saint Murad says all the scholars of Islam translated Quran wrong. I am the only person who did the best translation. But when Muhammad Ali says these words also mean these meanings in Arabic dictionary, I can show. You say that why do you change the what scholar said? I can change. I don't have to accept what all the scholars said. If you accept Saint Murad book and you were trying to do his advertisements throughout the whole life, so why you didn't tell him how did you translate accurately while all scholars did translated wrong? Why you didn't ask the same question to him? But now when it comes to me, when I give an accurate meaning that doesn't contradict any meanings of Quran, now you playing in this game. You say you are the only person who are contradicting with Ummat. You don't give their meanings. No, I can just show these meanings from an ordinary Arabic dictionary, man. Any ordinary dictionary, open it, I will show these meanings that I gave you. They are exist in Arabic.
You made me laugh again. I was trying to laugh on mute. Because Saint Murad, when he did that, we did not ask him why he do that, because he showed us the lexicons and the early classical Arabic translation books. And he said, I'm using my concordance based on these books. If anybody wants to challenge me, you can challenge me. Number one. Number two, he also says Quran was written in the time of Abbasians, and there is no Muhammad, and there is no Ali, and there is no Umar. You are here coming here from the Islamic sin narrative. You have accepted the sin narrative, and now when you have accepted the sin narrative, now you are changing certain words based on your needs, which does not fit in the Quran on those verses whatsoever. Because separator of truth, kulli shahi. Why is there kulli shahi then? Who said separator of truth? Okay, I challenge you, show me that fazil means separation of truth.
It's my time.
Show me.
It's my time. Look, again, you have one mistake. When you see the word kulle, you just take the whole universe. You don't have to take. In one verse about the rih, about the what do we call in English? Wind of Ad, tudammiru kulle shay'in. It was saying it destroyed everything. Does it mean it destroyed the whole universe? No. It destroyed everything that it is passed on. So when you see the word kulle, you don't have to understand everything in the universe. What type of an IQ you are looking at, Quran, man? About the Qawm Nuh. It says it took all the animals. The word kul used. It means all the animals that they have seen. It doesn't mean they have taken all the whole animals in the whole world. You have to understand the concept Quran. When you see the word kulle, it doesn't mean the whole universe. It means the whole things that are exist there. Okay? You do, whenever I just see that you just understand the verse non-accurately. That is the point, that you are misguided.
So this guy is misguided because now he is using the sin narrative. First he said, oh, I'm going to give you the word meaning. And why do you accept Saint Murad? Because Saint Murad removed the sin, standard Islamic narrative. Now he took the sin and he said, no, kulli according to Quran, read it kulli according to tafsir. He's saying, read the word kulli according to tafsir. So he's going to change the meaning of tafsila according to himself by removing the sin narrative, and the very next word, which is kulli, he's going to take it according to the sin narrative which is written in tafsir. How stupid one can be in giving this kind of an explanation, right? Because it's very clear. You can't use the sin narrative in one word and not use the sin narrative on another word, because now you are making another pretzel over pretzel.
Look, man, Quran's claim is very simple and very understandable. Quran says, if you doubt about Quran, if you think that Quran is not protected, if you think that it is human made, if you think whatever you think, if you think Abbasi changed it, if you whatever you think, then it means you think that it is human made. Then if it is human made, Quran challenged the whole humanity, the whole jinn, the whole universe to bring just similar one verse. Now I will give you a set of miracles, and I just want you to bring me just a similar of it from the whole historical records. You can use AI, you can use quantum computers, you can use whatever you want, IBM, Google, whatever you want, no problem. Quran used the word mithqala dharra in 6 position. Allah indicated the mass of dharra, which means atoms, and something smaller. وَمَا أَصْغَرَ مِنْ ذَلِكَ. So Quran indicated with this indication that all the elements are indicated in Quran, and I discovered all of them. I will want you to discover all of them from any book you want. I am just challenging you until the day of Qiyamah. Be respectful. If you behave like this, I will
This
mirror
is how, my time. You interrupted me. I'm gonna put you on backstage now. Did I not say do not interrupt me in my time? It's my time. Whether I can laugh, I can cry, I can do whatever I want to. It's my time. That is what debate is called. Debate. I'm gonna put you back up, reset my timer, and if you dare ever speak during my time, you will be kicked off and you will be shamed in front of whole audience. I'm gonna put you back and I'm gonna reset my timer. When it is my time, don't you dare try to speak. I'm gonna reset my timer. All right, so you see how silly arguments he is giving again and again. So he did not fix the argument of tafsil. He did not fix the argument of anything else, but now he went into another silly argument. Why is it silly? I can explain, but why should I explain myself? Why not we go and see what does zarra means in the classical Arabic, because he said look in the classical Arabic, and then now he has to tell me how zarra in the modern language becomes atom, but actually when this word zarra was being said, it was referring to a red ant. Now problem is, the word zarra, Muhammad had no idea what atom is. In the modern English dictionary, when we know what atom is, we are saying atom is like a zarra barabar, a small thing. In those time, zarra was the name of a red ant. Yes, sir.
It's my turn. Zarra, at that time, when you blow the soil, even those small particles was being called zarra, and something smaller than it or bigger, doesn't matter, something small. Even Allah knew that you will do this discussion. Allah put وَمَا أَصْغَرَ مِنْ ذَلِكَ وَلَا أَكْبَرَ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ. Even something smaller than zarra and bigger than it, all of them are in a book, in Quran. So Allah hid it. All zarra is the name of all zarra, the masses of them. Mithqala zarra means the mass of all atoms or all particles. Let's say particle. So quantum particles, molecules, atom, everything, the name and their mass and their atomic number are hidden with encryption by a clue of Alif Lam Mim Taha. These are the clues that these are encrypted. And I discovered all the atoms, all the quantum particles, all the molecules. And I want you to do just the same thing from any historical record you want. If it is human made, if it is changed, then you have to do this, man. You have to do this.
That's it. I'm not stupid. I'm not idiot. Only a stupid and idiot will give such kind of a silly argument, where we know that in the classical Arabic, when we are referring to zarra, it is a small red ant. So Allah is saying it is like a small red ant. Small red ant. Muhammad had no idea what atom is, what quantum physics is. Even Muhammad, forget Muhammad. Nobody of them knows. Allah doesn't know. Allah doesn't even know about the eggs in the womb of the mother. Allah had no idea. There is no eggs because nobody can see eggs. Hence, there is no eggs, neither in Hadith, literature, nor in Quran. If Allah doesn't even know about eggs, how can Allah know about atoms? Eggs you cannot see in the woman. You can't see the eggs in the woman. You can only see the water coming out of the woman. And that's what Quran explains, Hadith explains.
So right now, the whole Arab, 350 million Arabs are using the word zarra for atoms, but only the clever Adam seeker is saying that zarra doesn't mean atom. It doesn't matter, man. The whole are you knowing more than all the Arabs? When the zarra is first discovered, Arabs said the zarra is this. So it is very clear. If you accept, it is okay. If you don't accept, that shows your IQ level. The whole Arab accepted the word. Even the audience can just write on Google zarra and atom. Just they can see from Google translation, from any dictionary. It is very clear. But Quran gave more than this. Quran said, وَمَا أَصْغَرَ مِنْ ذَلِكَ وَلَا أَكْبَرَ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ. Even smaller than particle of atoms or bigger it. All of them are in Quran. So Allah already gave even something smaller than zerre. So for the ones who has a high level IQ, they already see and we already discovered. But you don't even listen and you just want to just change the subject, etc. But I just challenge you to bring similar example from any book.
Why do you challenge me to bring example from other book? Like I said, by the way, you are so silly. I'm not silly. All the Arabs are not silly. You are silly, brother. No, they are not silly. They are literate. They know. They have never gave this kind of a stupid argument which you are giving. Why? Because they know when atom was discovered, they referred zarra to atom in today's dictionary. Yes, I already said it. Why are you repeating what I said? You are using my argument against me. Are you silly? I already said now they are used as atom. But in the classical time, it's right in front of you, if you can read Arabic, that it was referring to a red ant. Because Muhammad had no idea what zarra is. Words changes its meaning with the passage of time because of new inventions. Red ant at that time was the smallest animal. That's why zarra was referring to that. Quran is talking in that time.
No. Right now, you just give the meaning that is given by just one scholar, and you just forget the whole scholars. Just open an ordinary dictionary; it gives all the meanings of zerre, and atom is one of them. But like I said, even if you don't accept atom, Quran says something smaller than zerre and bigger than all of them are in Quran. So I assume that, let's say zerre become atom, even smaller of it is Quran. I'm not saying only zerre is in Quran. I'm also saying quantum particle, Higgs boson, W boson, Z boson, all of them are in Quran, man. What the heck are you? Now I'm trying to share a screen. Can you let me to share? You must let. If you give me additional 1 minute, I will give you my other so that I will explain.
Why should I give you another time? Speak in your time.
Okay.
All right. So once again, how silly it is. Once again, he's saying I'm taking one argument. No, I said show me any location. Tibri Qurtubi Ibn Kasir, where zarra is atom. He can't show me. Show me in any. He can't show me. Then why should I accept this? You are a joker, to be precise. Why are you saying I can't understand? No, I understand. You are trying to make a huge joke. Right now, even the Muslimin are saying the Bukhari is maskhara. Not me. Imams, Arabic imams are saying Bukhari is maskhara. I'm not saying it. So, same is the case now. Very soon, people will be calling Muhammad maskhara. Not me. Sheikh Al-Mayzuwi. Sheikh Al-Mayzuwi, Turkish Sheikh. Or rather, it is Turkish as well. There you go. He's saying Imam Bukhari is maskhara. It's your time. Why are you not speaking?
Oh, it's finished yours? Okay. Look, the point is that you accept it or not. It doesn't matter. Why mine is 30 seconds?
Because you wasted your time. I was quiet. You weren't speaking.
You accept it or not. Quran has a very simple challenging the whole universe and humanity and jinn. If you think this Quran is not human made, it is changed by human, etc., then you must be able to bring some miracles like it. So why are you fear of doing such a thing? I brought you my miracles from Quran, then you must bring some similar if it is human made. It is a very simple challenge, man. Until Yawm al-Qiyamah, you have time. It's my time. Okay, now in this example, you see the sequence of phosphorus from left to right. This first,
all right, your time is over, sir.
15 letters.
Thank you. Your time is over. Phosphorus. Where is no phosphorus there? All right. Now, before I continue, imagine this. I am saying there is no miracle. He's saying, give me a book which has this miracle. Like how stupid it is that I am saying there is no miracle. You haven't given me any miracle so far. Why should I give you a miracle when your miracles are a joke, are a maskhara? So until you prove a miracle, I cannot give you a miracle. Okay, let me give you a miracle. In the Old Testament, written by the people, according to you, has evaporation in it. That rain comes after evaporation. Can you show me in Quran where it says evaporation before rain? There are 12 verses in the Quran which talks about rain. I will give you the verses. Accept my challenge. Your time started. Accept my challenge.
I will accept the challenge, but before that, you try to change the topic so much. If you think these are maskhara, it means these are very simple things. It means you must be able to find such miracles from any book you want. So if it is such a maskhara, you must be able to find, man, why are you fearing to listen these things? Look at this. The sequence of phosphorus in a verse that has 15 letters. Phosphor, its atomic number is 15. And this phosphorus, from the end of the chapter until sequence of phosphor, there are, if you include first part of phosphor, it is 15 words. If you include the second part also, it is 16 words. 15 is atomic number, 16 is its neutron number. So like this, I found more than 110 elements, all the quantum particles, and more than 100 molecules. So if it is maskhara, if it is something very simple, I just challenge you, just work on Urdu, English, whatever you want from all historical records. Just bring me an example.
All right, this is a mascara because there is nothing like phosphorus there. He is creating words by joining multiple words and removing certain words out of it. This is how stupid it is. I am so mature to give you something so stupid and obnoxious like this as a so-called miracle. I am not stupid. One has to be absolutely stupid to do such a thing, to make something like that. Okay, so with that being said, I cannot give you a miracle when it is not a miracle, when it is not even there. It has to be there something to make it a miracle.
It is 10 seconds in my time.
Okay, I can reset for you. I thought it's done from my side. There you go.
Okay. What I can say, Quran knew that you have such discussion. Quran already gave us the answer. In Quran, in the beginning of 29 chapter, there are clues. Okay, Taha, Hamim, Ain Sin Qaf. So in chapter Hamim, Ain Sin Qaf, they are in different words. Hamim and Ain Sin Qaf are in different words. So it means you should search letters sequentially. It doesn't have to be in one word, because look at the word phosphorus. It is almost 9 letters. In Arabic, can you then there are some letter sequences, there are 12 letters, 15 letters we found. So how can you just put this in one word of Arabic? It is not possible. If you know the structure of Arabic, you have to understand. The point is that I'm just giving you the rule. Just sequentially, you must find the name of elements in any book, and for the order of them in the chapter or in the verse or in the from the beginning of from the end of the book, it must match with the chemical properties of this. And the whole elements, the whole quantum particle, the whole molecule. Can you accept my challenge?
Okay, I accept your challenge. Look how stupid this guy is. Let me show it to you what he is doing. And by the way, it doesn't even mean phosphorus. Let me go do Google Translator for him, because he said go to Google last time. Let me show it to you. This is like the stupidity of stupidities. All right. He is saying, take this verse, and in this verse, in the first word of this verse, remove ba, alif, and waw, and then remove this word, and then remove the space and make these as one word. And by the way, it didn't even make phosphorus. Why? Because now there is a problem with the shadda gamma kasra at this moment. Now imagine he wants me to create stupidities like this, and he calls them miracle. So he wants me to pick up a book and do stupidities like this with that. What I challenged him is, show me evaporation, and I can show him evaporation in Torah. Torah is much better than Quran. Your time, my friend. I'll reset for you. I don't know why you are not seeing that.
Okay. Can I share the screen? Can you take my screen? Okay. Again, one point in Arabic has diacritical marks. Okay. In encryption technology,
zoom
you
in.
can use these marks.
We can't even read your thing, so zoom in.
Okay.
I knew that verse, that's why I went there. I don't know what this verse is, so zoom in.
You must give me extra time.
More.
Is it okay
More.
now?
More.
More.
One more.
Okay.
All right. Yes.
Okay, now let me explain it well better. Okay, there are some letters called vowel, and what was the opposite of vowel? I forgot in English. Okay, the letter, the arsenic, for instance, here the letter Alif, R, S, N, K, and the letters in between, for instance, I, arsenic, I of arsenic, we can take this with the advantage of diacritical mark. So this is in chapter 33, and arsenic atomic number is 33. Exactly, that is the number that distinguish this element. In this way, I found all elements. I am just challenging you. It is a methodology.
Listen, once again, let me ask you something. Chapter number 33. Show me where chapter number 33 was proclaimed to be chapter number 33 according to Allah. Go. And you have your miracle. If chapter number 33, because like this is the same stupidity that he's doing, he's connecting 2 or 3 different words and joining them together. All right, he can join whatever words he wants to, but show me the number system of the surahs are given by Allah, not by a human being, and I'm done with this debate. Go. Take my time.
Okay. Okay, Quran gives clues to high intelligent people, and if they don't want to understand, it is no problem. Okay, Quran in some
That's not my
hadith,
question.
Quran,
My question is, show
one,
me
my time is
the
just
Quranic
explain.
numbering system was given by Allah.
Okay, I will just explain. In Quran, it says سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم. سبعا من المثاني means سبعة, 7 verses. This is indicating to Surah Al-Fatiha. All tafsir says this. So in about Surah
All
Al-Mulk,
tafsir does not say this. I can show it to you that it doesn't say that.
in hadith,
So
Prophet
don't
says,
say that to me.
whoever reads that 30 verses, he will be protected from grave punishment. And they
Nobody
say,
said that.
30 verses? It is 30 verses of Surah Al-Mulk. So in the time of Prophet ﷺ, he was already giving some numbers of some chapters. So it means they were already known. The point is that
No, it's not known. You're
it is
lying
known.
once again.
Then I can show you the hadiths of 30 verses of chapter Mulk. What is that means is then? If it is not known, what is that means then?
All right, I'll show it to you.
Okay, show me the hadiths of
Okay.
chapter Al-Mulk having 30
So first
verses.
of all, you agree that the Saba al-Masani, not everyone agrees that it is Surah Fatiha, because there are so many hadiths and early scholars which are saying Bismillah is not part of Surah Fatiha. Do you know that?
Actually, brother, in all topics, the scholars have might have different.
Okay, so scholars have different meaning. Perfect. So you agree that Surah Fatiha is written by 7 verses and also 6 verses, correct?
No, we agree on 7 verses.
No, you actually accepted the 7 verses, and some of the Sunni scholars accepted that. But there are other Qurans, for example, Varsh. It doesn't have 7 verses of Surah Fatiha.
In all qira'ats, it is 7 verses. Some of them count Basmala, some of them don't count.
Surah Fatiha, when was it? Surah Fatiha is the 7th surah, right?
No,
of the Quran.
First chapter.
By revelation.
By revelation, I'm not sure, 100% sure about the
7th. Okay. By revelation, it is 7th.
Let's accept it.
Now, when Surah Asra, chapter number 17th, by revelation, what number is Surah Asra?
By revelation?
Yes.
I am not memorized. I have to check all of them.
It is 50th.
Okay, what does it change?
Okay, it changes. It changes. Let me show it to you.
No, what can it change in our topic? What can this change in our topic?
Yeah, I'm showing it to you. All right. So, Muhammad said, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim in chapter number 17, verse number 110. When he said Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, everybody said Muhammad used to pray to one God, which is Allah. So he was always saying Bismillah. Now he is calling 3 gods: Allah, Rahman, beneficent and merciful. This is Asbabul Nazul. I can read Tibri and Qurtubi as well for you. All right. Now he is calling them. Then Allah revealed this verse: all good names are for Allah. Now, if by revelation Surah Fatiha is the 7th surah by revelation and Surah Asra is the 50th surah by revelation, then by definition, nobody should be saying why Muhammad is calling upon 3 gods. That is the reason why Surah Fatiha cannot have Bismillah in it. And these are not my arguments. These are the arguments of the scholars who are fighting with each other about the 7th verses or the 6th verses of Surah Fatiha. This is the reason. Now imagine this guy accepts a certain narrative and he agreed with me that there are multiple narratives, and yes, scholars do not agree. So he is only accepting a certain narrative, and based on that narrative, he accepted this is Surah Fatiha. It's not my fault. It's your fault. This is the sin narrative. This is the sin narrative. So, number one. Number two, I asked you specifically that chapter number 33 is chapter 33 according to Allah, not the name of the chapter, the position of the chapter, the reorder of the Quran, which was supposedly, according to you guys, Uthman did that, Uthmanic Quran. You show me
It's my
Muhammad
turn, man.
called
It's my turn. You
chapter
speak
number
2 minutes.
33
You
as
give me
chapter
2
number
minutes.
33.
2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. You talk 2 minutes. Look, about this topic, you elongated again. You give me 50 seconds. You give yourself 2 minutes.
Have 2 minutes. Stop crying, brother. There you go. I'll give you 2 minutes. There you go. There you go. 2
Look,
minutes.
in
Maga, show
Quran,
me that.
in Quran says, "Ma ramaita idh ramaita, walakin Allah rama." You didn't throw, but Allah thrown when you thrown. So when Prophet was throwing this, Allah says, "It wasn't you, it was me who was throwing." So in another verse, Allah says, "Inna alayna jam'ahu wa Qur'anah." The protection and preservation of Quran is on us. So Allah says, even if you see that Osman radiallahu anh is put Quran in this order, Allah says, "I am the one who ordered this." In this verse, in this concept, Inna alayna jam'ahu wa Qur'anah. The protection, the jam, and the preservation is on us. Allah says it is on me. So logically, when you see Osman radiallahu anhu's order, Allah says it is me who is orientating everything in the universe. Even one leaf cannot fall without my permission. So this, whatever you accept, Allah says it was under my control. So according to this, Allah controlled the protection, the order, etc. And all the proof that I give is showing that this Quran order cannot be human-made. If it is human-made, I will ask again, once again, I will challenge you to bring me one historical record in which all the miracles that I present exist. If you see these are maskhara, then it must be very simple to find this. Then I will challenge you until day of judgment. Just bring me, man. It is not a hard thing. Even Edwin Hubble, you loved it, but I'm still challenging you. Scan the whole historical records, bring me. Just use the same method. Inside surname, there will be name. Okay, inside Hubble, there will be Edwin, but there will be sequentially. Just scan the whole historical records. Just use AI, just use quantum computers. It doesn't matter. You won't be able to bring, man. The verse must relate Sema, okay, with expansion, and the name Edwin Hubble must be, because Edwin Hubble proved this theory. So all the elements, all the quantum particles, all molecules, all the scientists, I discovered everything in Quran. So you must bring me, if it is mascara, you must bring me similar things from any book you want. It's your turn. 2 minutes are past, I think.
Is done. Sorry, my time now. I moved it to 1 minute now. All right. So he once again went back and did not give me that Quran chapter number 33, Surah Azab was chapter number 33. No, he can't. Nobody in the world can do that. Okay, he said Uthman did it and Allah ordered him to do it. Okay, done. Show me Uthmanic Quran where Surah Ahzab is stated to be on the 33rd position. No, it is not. Okay, the Turkish Quran that you have, show me Surah Ahzab is on the 33rd Surah location. You can't do that. And not a single scholar can ever do that. Okay, the Musaful Hafs that you are reading, show me the original Musaful Hafs which could put Surah Ahzab on the 33rd location. You can't do that. That's the reality of it. This is the essence of it. And I will now speak about Hubble again, if he gives me his time.
No, when it comes to you, please talk. Okay, I gave the answer, but you didn't want to understand. I said, Allah says, you didn't throw, I am thrown. I have thrown. Allah says, Inna alayna jam'ahu wa Qur'anah. Even though you think that Osman radiallahu anh collected it, Allah said, I am the one who is arranging the Quran. I am the one who is preserving the Quran. So in the world, in the whole world, when we look at all the mushafs, we just see that this sequence of arsenic is inside 33rd chapter. So this is a miracle. And again, there are all elements. If this is coincidence, then I calculated probability. This is the probability of this 10 power minus 6. Okay, if you multiply 100 element with 10 power minus 6, it will be the probability of such a thing 10 power minus 600. This is impossible level, man. All quantum computers will not achieve such a thing. If it is achievable, I just challenging you, man. If it is done by Osman radiallahu anh, then you must be more clever. If according to you, then you must be able to bring me such a book. It is a very simple claim.
All right, so once again he gave us another stupidity. Why? Because he's creating not the real words. I already finished that argument, but he's going back again and again. Why? Because that's all what he has. That's all what he has. The poor guy has lost his mind. Now, Edwin Hubble, he brought it last time, and I had the time now to check it out. And I checked it out. This is what Google is saying how to write Edwin Hubble. Alif, Dal, Waw, Ya, Noon. What does he has? He has Alif, Ya, Dal, Waw, Alif, Noon. So the spellings are wrong here. He said use Google. I used Google, and I even asked Google, and he gave the same spelling. I checked it in the translate.google.com. It gave me the same spelling. So Edwin spelling is wrong. By the way, Edwin spellings are the ones who are supposedly in 2 letters. The ones in red, these 2 letters. And he joined 2 letters. Then how is Hubal he's making? He's making Hubal by taking 1 ha from 1 letter, 1 word, ba from another word, alif from another word, and lam from another word. Who the hell can accept this as a miracle? In his sane mind. Who the hell will ever do that? In his sane mind. Nobody. Nobody would do such a silly thing. Except
It's
him.
my turn.
And he wants me
Like
to do
I
that.
said.
Okay, please, sorry. Please continue. When it is your
Like
time,
I
remind
said.
me.
What?
Remind me
What?
when it's your time. Because I was not seeing the time. There you go.
Look, it's very nice that you try to search this topic. I became happy. I just, when the turn comes to you, I just would like you to just put these letter sequences in Google translation once again. And Google is not Muslim or Kafir. It doesn't have a religion. It will just click the sound and let us hear what does it say. Does it say Edwin Hubble or what? Though the modern script is very a little bit different. Let us see, does Google pronunciate it Edwin Hubble or not? And the perfectness is that inside surname there is name. It is just like orbits. And there is another verse miracle. I will also show this. وَكُلٌّ فِي فَلَكٍ يَسْبَحُونَ. Around letter Y, there is a symmetry. Okay, this is like orbit of planets. So again, inside surname there is name. This is sequential. So in same logic, it is very simple. Just bring such a simple example from any book you want, from historical. And please, this letter sequence, make Google to read it. Let us hear what does it say.
All right, so he wants to create. Now, first of all, I said that spellings are wrong. Second, he said Google. I already did Google Edwin Hubble, and I wrote Edwin Hubble, and Google showed me how to write it in Arabic. It's there. Now, something can sound similar, doesn't matter to me. I don't care. He's changing the letters, number 1. Number 2, then he's changing the diacritical marking as well. He's also changing the diacritical marking because Edwin Hubble, when it is written like this, or no matter how it is written, the diacritical marks of the Quran are different than this one. Why should I believe any of him? Number 3, like I showed you, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different words by skipping a word in the middle. This is how he is making Hubble. It's silly. I can't do this to anybody. Your time.
Man, give can you share my screen? Okay, again, same logic. Here, sequence of erbium. Before erbium, there are 68 letters, and erbium, atomic number 68. Just very simple. We use the advantage of diacritical marks of Arabic. Okay, in the Arabic, the words, the letter can take otra, damme, kesra, or feta. This is very simple. This is just encryption method, man. Allah just encrypted everything in Quran. So very simple. Sequence of erbium. When you put the accurate diacritical marks, we just get the pronunciation of erbium. And before erbium, there are 68 letters. Very simple. In this way, I am challenging you to find all the elements from any book you want. This is a very simple challenge. And until the day of judgment, I just give you time. Whenever you want, you can just come.
I am not stupid. to do this. Let me give you a clear miracle. Let's see if you can do it. Clear miracle. I don't care about these stupidities. Clear miracle. All right. The book of Jobs is written so early, it's unbelievable. Nobody knew evaporation at that particular time. Or maybe some people knew about it. I don't know. Right? Quran definitely didn't. So it says, behold, God is exalted, and we do not know him. The number of his years is unsearchable, for he draws up the drops of water, evaporation, distilled rain from his stream, which the clouds pour down. They drip upon man abundantly. All right, perfect. Show me evaporation in Quran. If you do not have the verses of rain, I will give you the verses of rain. Ask me, and I will give you all the verses. I'll give you my time. Show me clear miracle just like this. Evaporation in Quran. Show me. Show me evaporation in Quran if you have the guts.
Okay.
I'll give you till Qiyamah.
I will show, but can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Ask.
Is this book, you said which book is this? Can you say once again?
Book of Jobs. It's written in front of you.
No, I didn't hear the name of the book. Can you ask name?
It's written in front of
So
you.
this is the book of whom?
Job. Book of Job. J-O-B.
No,
Job.
it is a holy book. Is it a holy book?
Yeah.
Like, is it a part of Bible or Torah?
Yeah, it's a part of Bible.
Is it a part of Bible?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, some people are interesting. If I see a miracle in Bible or Torah, I don't get amazed because I expect such a thing. Because the source.
No,
of,
you have to.
Muslim,
you have to reject it because in Quran there is no
Torah,
Job. Who wrote a book?
Wait. I have bigger miracles. I will present even bigger. Don't worry about this. I will present even bigger.
Show
ones.
me in Quran there is evaporation.
If I see miracles from Bible, Torah, or holy books, because I know that the source of them is also God that we believe in, but they just change the book. But
no, either they change the book or they did not change the book. Because hey, listen. I'm not going to go into this. You want to have this debate? I'll want to have this debate then with you. Okay? Because Quran never claims that Torah or Bible corrupted. Number one, you have to either agree to the Torah and Bible absolutely to the dot, or you have to reject it. You can't pick and choose. This is Bible, and according to the Bible, Muhammad is a false prophet. He's an Ishmaelite according to you guys. So Muhammad is a false prophet according to Bible. So now this is book of Jobs. Quran never talks about book of Jobs. You show me in Quran the verses of the rain, evaporation. If you can, I will give you the time till day of Qiyamah. Clear sign. Show me.
Okay, very nice. Firstly, you ask me a topic in which I have to make a research. Okay, this is a new topic that I.
No, you don't need to research. Let me give you the verses. Let me give you the verses. Let me give you the verses. Chapter number 39. Write the verses. Write the verses. Chapter number 24, verse number 43. Chapter number 30, verse number 48. Chapter number 39, verse number 21. Chapter number 23, verse number 18. Chapter number 30, verse number 24. Chapter number 15, verse number 22. Chapter number 7, verse number 57. Chapter number 13, verse number 17. Chapter number 25, verse number 48 to 49. Chapter 35, verse number 9. Chapter 45, verse number 5. Chapter 50, verse number 9. Chapter 67, verse number 30. And chapter 36, verse number 34. These are all the verses where rain is mentioned one way or another. I give you till the day of Qiyamah. If it is not there, then you have to believe and become a Jew. Forget Muhammad, forget Allah, forget Quran. Because this is a miracle. It's written in clear words. Mike is yours.
Wait. Now it's my turn. Look, another I explain. If I see a miracle in Torah or Bible, it doesn't change my faith because I know the source is already Allah. Some miracles might exist in those books also. But your expectancy is that I should only show this miracle, then I should have some time and I will research. But again, I will give you some.
Then do research and come back when you have the time.
Okay, I will research. I will be with you.
I need clear words. I need it in clear words.
The whole year I will come your.
No, we are not even debating right now. Forget the time. I said I need it in clear words. I don't want you to join certain letters with certain letters. Number one.
Okay.
Number two. I'm telling you what my challenge is. Like, listen to me. We are not debating. Forget the timer. Let me finish the timer, because this discussion is not going anywhere. You are giving me something which nobody in the sane mind will accept. So I'm not going to do that. Now, chapter number 33 is mentioned or created much later. The word that you are mentioning, surface or phosphorus, is not even there. You are creating the word somehow, changing the haruf. I don't accept any of this. Nobody can. Nobody in the sane mind can or will ever do that. So forget that. Something clear, just like here, it says rain comes from evaporation. 2000 years ago, 3000 years ago, nobody knew evaporation. The book of Job describes that. And by the way, you said it's from Allah. No, it's not from Allah. Allah is not mentioned in the Bible at all. There is no Allah in the Bible. Zero Allah. Now, with that being said, yes, Allah was added into it in the 9th century in certain locations where the word Elohim is there. And Elohim word means Ilahin, ruler of Ilah. That's what Elohim is. And there Allah is there now in Elohim. By the way, there are false Elohim as well. In the Old Testament, the Hebrew word Elohim has been mentioned 1984 times for false gods. So if you are saying Elohim means Allah, then false god is also means Allah, by the way. And you can't do that. You know that and I know that. So with that being said, I finished that argument. Please go and find in the Quran clear words, evaporation, rain. I will give you time till day of Qiyamah. Go.
Okay, can I
Come back when you can.
Can
No, forget screen. I'm not listening to this stupidity anymore. Go get me a clear word.
Put something. I won't put a letter sequence. I will put something else. I will present the name, the meaning of a verse. Or if you want, you present.
There you go. Meaning of the verse. Which verse? Give me the verse. I'll open.
Surah An-Nur, verse number 40.
Okay.
Surah An-Nur, verse number 40.
Okay. Give me a second.
Are you searching?
Dude, I have a hand and a computer. It's gonna take me time to share on the screen. You're not talking to an AI, you're talking to a human. All right. There you go. Surah Nur, verse number 40.
You wanted me to present a miracle that has no relation with letter sequence because you think that this IQ level is not enough for you. Okay, now here we'll see if it is okay for you or not. أو كظلمات في بحر لجي يغشاه موج. Can you open the verse also, the Arabic part?
Okay.
When Allah explained the situation of non-believers, because they are not accepting the nur of Allah, they are not accepting His guidance, their situation is أو كظلمات, like darkness, في بحر لجي, like an ocean that has deepness. يغشاه موج, in it there are موج. In this ocean, there are some, what do we call, waves. من فوقه موج, over this wave there is another wave. من فوقه سحاب, over it there are clouds. ظلمات بعضها فوق بعض, all the darkness over each other. إذا أخرج يده لم يكد يراها, even if he take out his hand, he won't be able to see. He's in such a darkness. So while Allah explained the situation of non-believers, he give an example. Okay, a hierarchy. There is a wave. Over it is a wave. Over it is a cloud. So we already know this in the middle wave. We know this is a surface wave. But what is that is inside the ocean? So this is deep ocean waves. It is discovered in 1950s, etc. So how did Quran know this before 14th centuries? And Prophet never see an ocean. He was always in a desert. How can he know such a thing? And if it is just discovered after 14th centuries, I think this is a bigger miracle than what you present.
All right, let me answer you now.
There are thousands of miracles inside Quran.
Okay, forget 1,000. Let me answer you this now. I was quite listening to you, did not interrupt you, right? So give me the same courtesy, okay? Okay, now this is a standard kind of a miracle which has been debunked so many times that Mimi Hijab and his Ali Dawa, the girlfriend, already said yes, scientific miracles has been debunked. Why? Let me give you that. Because number one, it's talking about wave upon wave, and if you go to a beach, you will see wave upon wave no matter what. You will see. It's a visual thing. Anybody can see it. And because Muhammad was traveling and he was listening stories from people around him, that is in the Sin narrative, standard Islamic narrative, sin narrative, that he was listening to the stories. Even the Quran says, chapter number 9, that people were saying to Muhammad, you are an ear. You are an ear who just listens from somewhere and give it to out. And Allah said, yes, you are a good ear. When you listen good thing, then you give out good. So basically, seeing wave upon wave is so easy, it's unbelievable. Now, point number 2, darkness under the sea. This is also debunked. It has been given known historical records that the Greeks and the Romans were sea divers way before Muhammad, 1500 BCE to 5th BCE. They were going all the way down with lights, candle lights, in a way that it will be lit for some time inside the glass, and they were going down, and they know when there is no light, they can't even see hands, and they were describing it like that the depth of the sea is so dark that you can't even see your own hand. This is exactly what Allah is writing in the Quran. You don't believe me? Go search on the internet.
Can
You
I?
will know that. No, you cannot. Let me finish.
What
So
what
this
I
is
can.
not an unknown phenomena that is there in the Quran. It's not an unknown phenomena at that time. It was a very, very known phenomena that the depth of the seas does not have light in it. Number 2, visual inspection of the wave upon wave, it's there. Why are you talking to me about 1950? 1950 is talking about 2000 feet deep down, not this one where normal humans have been doing for far long, and they know when they go even 100 feet down, they will not be able to see anything. Yes, sir.
1 second. I will open another verse.
Mhm. Don't open another one. Imagine this, whatever you're going to
Okay.
give me.
The point is that it is
Listen,
my point. It is my turn. Please
listen.
give me my turn.
Don't
Look,
change the topic. Are
the
you going to
point.
answer this one,
It
or are
is
you
my
going to
turn.
change another one?
Okay. I will respond this one.
You're going to open another one. Open another one first. Give me the verse.
No,
Let's see.
not another one.
So
This
you
one.
bring everything. You're so desperate. I can see that. You're so
No, man.
desperate.
I will
And I
talk
can see
about
that.
this
But you know
one,
why I
man.
see that? Because you are not the
You don't
first
give
one
my
who
time,
ever
man.
did this.
You don't give my time, man. You are still taking my time.
No, are you going to open another one?
No, just same topic. I will talk from this subject. I will talk.
Okay. Answer me.
Look, one problem of non-believers is that when we present one miracle about Quran, they just say in blah 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 year this civilization mentioned this. When I put another miracle, they say in blah blah year this civilization mentioned this. When I say this miracle, so they put hundreds of civilization, but very interestingly, Quran takes all the accurate knowledge of all this civilization. Isn't this itself is a miracle? Why it takes only the truth part? But it only just gives accurate information, and it was before 14th century. Why don't you think about this point?
Is this a question to me?
Yes, because you say
Okay, let
it
me
was
answer.
mentioned in
Okay,
this
let me
book.
answer.
Okay, I see why
Let
Quran
me
take
answer.
always accurate
Perfect.
knowledge
Let
and just
me
mention
answer
after
that,
the miracle.
brother. Let me answer that. Because all of these things are happening. I never said Hindus are doing this. You know why? Because Muhammad and the people around Muhammad had no idea about Hind or Hindus. But these civilizations, for example, Romans, Greek, and Persians, they were very commonly available over there. And these
So
people, the Arabs, had to do the tijara with these nations because Arabs cannot grow anything. And this is in your Sirah that these people were doing tijara, and Muhammad, according to you, when he was 25 and became a servant of Khadija, he was doing tijara with the people, Romans, Greeks, and Persians. So all of my examples are from there. If I come into Hindu area, I have far more things to show you, but I will never use that. Why? Because those people, the Hindus, were never there, and Muhammad had no idea about Hindus. So I am talking about the people who were around there in that area, in the facility, where according to you people and your sin narrative, the Siratun Nabi and the history of At-Tabari are showing that Muhammad is doing the tijara, the traveling and caravan, taking caravans there and talking to these people. That is why this is so common, and that is why Quran is talking about fable. Even Quran says in 4 times, the people are saying to Muhammad, Muhammad, you are giving us stories of the past. People said that. It is in the Quran as in evidence. So brother, you need to think what you are saying before saying. Brother has lost the electricity.
इंटरनेट गया भाई का कि क्या गया? अंधेरा हो गया भाई. By the way, nice discussion, Adam. Till he comes back. और मेरे को तो बहुत हंसी आ रही थी फॉस्फोरस की स्पेलिंग देख के. मतलब एक इंसान जो है कितना धोखेबाज हो सकता है यार. कुछ भी खेल खेल ले भाई. मतलब इधर का वर्ड आधा लिया, दूसरे वर्ड का एक लेटर आधा लिया और उसको कुछ भी बना दिया. ओके, ही इज बैक.
Just you sound
Why
just
did you
now.
put something
Were you
on
saying
your
something?
camera,
I
brother?
didn't.
Why did you put camera on darkness on your camera?
What do you mean darkness?
You muted yourself and put
You know,
darkness on your
maybe
camera.
my internet is slow right now. Sometimes your sound is coming.
Okay, yes, we can't even hear you properly.
What
So
darkness?
in the last 5 minutes, you were fully dark, no voice, and now you are breaking up really bad.
No. Is my sound clear right now?
No, it's breaking up really bad. In the last 1 minute, 2 minutes, we can't even hear you,
No.
we can't even see you, and now you are breaking up.
How come?
Okay, seems good. Say a full
Can I
sentence.
connect once again?
Did you take a
Can
pause
I
between
connect once
connect
again
and
or
come
it
again?
doesn't necessary?
No, it's good. Now it's good. Speak.
No, I mean, is it okay? Okay. Look, again, I'm saying, in Quran, we have seen many miracles, but when we present this miracle, they say this was in ancient China, this was in ancient Hindu. The point is that Prophet
Okay,
Muhammad,
pause.
according to
Why
them,
are you
he was
lying?
not
No,
even known.
now you're lying. I will not let you speak. Now you are lying. My argument
Why?
was what? No, why did you lie now?
What?
What was my argument? I said you were not listening. You are such a liar. When I was speaking, why were you
Don't.
not listening? Okay, when I was speaking, why were you not listening? When I was speaking, why were
Remind
you
me
not
what you
listening?
said.
What
Remind me
argument
what
did
you
I give you?
Last 1 minute, your sound is gone. That's what I was saying to you.
Okay, go to YouTube, rewind, and listen what I said, because now you are accusing me. Get lost. Go listen in a YouTube. My argument was, listen to me very carefully now. You're in the backstage. Listen, open your ears. This is the exact argument I gave you. I said I never used Hindus. I never used China. This is exactly what I gave you. You liar. Go and watch what I said. The debate, meaning of the debate is, when I am speaking, you listen to me, and in your time, provide me a rebuttal against what I said. If you weren't even listening, why am I speaking? Do you want to take time and go and rewind the YouTube and listen to what I said?
Look,
yes or no?
Just open it. I will talk. Don't worry.
No, open it. Go out.
Look,
go
I
to
watched
YouTube.
It. I watched it. The point is that it shows that you
get lost. Get lost. Idiot. When I need to show him again what I said, because he wasn't listening. He came in and said something which goes against the argument that I gave him, and spent 2 minutes in saying, am I an idiot? He was searching other miracles on the internet. He did that last time as well. While he is talking, he is not listening to me, but he is searching other articles. He did that last time as well. I told him, don't search, listen to me. What kind of an idiot he is? Get lost and don't come back until you have the ethics and morals to come and speak in a nice manner. You don't even have the ethics and moral. When the other person is speaking, it is your duty to listen to him so that you could answer him according to his statements, not just pick up stupidities out of nothing. Hey, Muhammad Ali, get lost. Go listen to what I said before you come in. Go back. Go out. Listen to what I said before you come in. Nobody can hear you. Sorry यार, साहिल इससे भी बात नहीं करूंगा मैं. Until ये जाके सुनता नहीं है कि मैंने last 1 minute में क्या कहा. Time waster साला.
You have to go back, open YouTube and check what Adam said so that you understand what he said actually. You accuse him of something which he did not say. So do one thing, open YouTube. The time you got disconnected,
He disconnected while he was
please
speaking.
go back
Basically,
for some
he's
time.
a liar.
Yes, please go back for some time and check what he said. Okay? So once you are done, just raise your hand so that we know that you listened it. Yes, Mohammad Ali, have you listened?
Yes.
What was my
You,
argument?
Okay.
Adam, you are a
What
very
was
bad
my argument?
person. I was listening you, but you don't listen to me, man. You are a very bad
What
person.
was my
Look
argument?
at me, man. Did I tell you that
Muhammad Ali, what
you
was my
say
argument?
Hindus or did I say
Muhammad, what
people
was my
say?
argument?
You don't listen to me, man.
Muhammad, what
Give
was
me
my
some time.
argument?
You don't listen to me. I say people, you say you. What do you mean?
Hey, listen. I don't care about people. You silly. I am debating with you. People are not debating with you. So shut the F up. Did you listen? And what was my argument? Tell me that.
Muhammad Ali, I asked you to listen what Adam said. Did you listen?
I listen, man. I listen. Why didn't
Okay,
you
what
don't
was my
understand?
Okay,
argument?
what did he say?
Okay, the topic
What was
started
his
like this. I
argument?
gave an example. He said it was a blah blah ancient. It was mentioned in they were diving into ocean. It was mentioned, and I said in a general topic, not only that topic. In general case, I said when we present miracles, people say blah blah. I don't say Adam say like this. I said a
After
general
that,
topic.
what was my argument?
The same thing. When I repeat, you say Hindu.
Okay.
I when I say Hindu
I
in
said
general,
Hindu.
I mention
I said
people.
Hindu, right?
I
I
don't
said
say
Hindu,
you
right?
say Hindu or China. I don't say you.
I said
I
Hindu
said
or China?
people do like this.
Did I said Hindu or China?
I said I didn't say you
Did
say this.
I said Hindu or China?
Man, you are just afraid of me to.
Shut the F up, you bastard son of Muta. Get lost, idiot. That was my base argument. Listen to me in the backstage. I'm not going to give you any time today, but you have to listen now. Listen if you want to join in ever again. Otherwise, you will never get a time. Listen, this was my base argument. You never listened, the YouTube. My base argument was I never gave the example of Hindus, nor did I give the example of China. Why? I gave the examples of Greeks, Romans, and Persians. Why? Because Muhammad, when he became a servant of Khatija, was doing a tijara with these kind of people. He was going to Persia, he was going to Romans, he was going around here where Greeks, Romans, and Persians are. That is the reason why Muhammad knows what these people are saying. That is exactly, I gave you the answer of your next rebuttal. But you know who you are? You are a dumb fool who is answering based on articles and nothing more. You open article and you try to read those articles and that's it. Nothing more. I already gave you the answer of it. That is why I was furious, because you, when it was your time, you said people use the word Hindus and Chinese. I already refuted that argument and presented the argument based on the people who were around there. Number two, why do you think it is not possible for even some Chinese information going there? Because of Jerusalem. In the Jerusalem area, even Chinese were present, and we know that. Number three, who said Muhammad was writing it? You. That's the sin narrative, anyways. I already said Quran was written by multiple people and joined into one book by Abbasians. But once again, even if I take your sin narrative, Quran even said, Muhammad, you are just an ear. And a lot of people claimed Quran chapter number 9. It's the words of Quran. Now, if you haven't listened still, go out, come back with a better miracle. You are done for today. Go. Sleep.
Thank you, Adam Saab. And one more thing, even if the information did not pass to Muhammad, his base argument was this kind of information was known to humanity in just some 1950s or 1960s, whatever is said.
Yes. Yes.
So whether the information passed or did not pass, that is not the question. People were knowing about this way before Muhammad, appeared on this earth. So the
Absolutely.
miracle part has gone. You need to understand that point.
You are so right, sir. You are
Hello.
so very right. You are absolutely on the spot. Muhammad Ali is back. Habi Muhammad Ali. Are you going to give the reference and start talking or what?
Yes, I will give, but I didn't understand why you took me out. I didn't understand.
Because I don't have the time to play games. If you want to say something, say
Okay,
something
I
and
won't play
start
game.
giving the
Look,
reference.
I just want you to give me 5 minutes. I will explain everything very well, don't without cutting my
You
words.
have 2 minutes and I'm
Is it
putting up
okay?
the 2 minutes timer. Say it. There you go.
Okay, yesterday you said in Bible there is a verse in which evaporation and rain are aligned. So you said, I give you time until Yawmul Qiyamah, bring me such a miracle from Quran. And today I will first explain the formation of rain and how Quran indicated with a bigger miracle than this. I will explain this. The formation of rain is not only about evaporation, it's also about fertilization. Because when the wind is blowing, it takes out some dust, okay, and some aerosols from the surface of ocean, and in the air they are fertilized with each other, and the moisture, the vapor is condensed around it, and it came down as a rain. So in the Quran, this situation hinted very perfectly. The situation is fertilization effect of winds. Now I want to present the verse. I will take maybe 20 seconds.
Yes, black buddies. That's what it is. Chapter number, verse number, and
Okay.
zoom in.
Okay, let me do it.
Chapter number and verse number.
Chapter number 15, Surah.
You are breaking up. Chapter number 15, what?
What?
Muhammad Ali, you are breaking
Verse
up. Say
number
it again.
22.
Chapter 22. All right.
وأرسلنا
Speak.
الرياح لواقع. Verse number 22, chapter number 15. Chapter Al-Hijr, verse number 22.
Okay. And it says,
وأرسلنا الرياح
Creation.
وأرسلنا الرياح لواقع. We sent the winds as fertilizers. فأنزلنا من السماء ماء. And after this fertilization process of dust particle, aerosol, and vapor, فأنزلنا من السماء ماء. And we sent down rain. So do you see? This is a very, very, very big miracle that you can never see in any book in all the history. I just challenge all the humanity to come up such information. It is a very clear, crystal clear miracle.
Career. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. You took 3 minutes and you actually destroyed your own self. Thank you so very much. What was the challenge, guys? He actually set the challenge and you saw
Evaporation.
the challenge. Challenge was what? Show me evaporation. He did not show me evaporation. He cannot show me evaporation. There is no evaporation in Quran. There is none. All right. Now, with that being said, what does this ayat is saying? In Urdu, ayat is saying, और हम भेजते हैं हवाएं जो बोझल होती हैं, बस हमने उतारा आसमान से पानी. Imagine this. What is he saying? Fertilization, 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 fertilization. The winds are now fertilized. Okay. This is how stupid it is. Like stupidity has literally no limits in his eyes. And we have seen in the past, हमने देखा है past में भी, इस बंदे को अंब का पता नहीं है. ये बंदा अपनी मर्जी से गेम में डालता है. And what was the question? What was the question? Show me evaporation. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry can say stupid things like this, which is not a problem. Question was, show me evaporation. Where is the evaporation? You can't show me. Wind, heavy winds are running. Everybody knows these are heavy winds. You can see them with your naked eye. Muhammad Ali, where is evaporation?
Are you giving the word to me? The microphone is on me.
Where is evaporation?
Look. Okay, let me explain. I told you the rain process cannot be alone explained.
Where
Only
is evaporation? That was the question. What was my challenge to you yesterday, which you repeated today? What was my challenge?
Yes, you said evaporation, and I am saying
Okay.
fertilization.
Does this verse shows evaporation?
Look, I am explaining you what is the meaning of fertilization already covers.
No, you are not showing me what the meaning of evaporation, because you are saying, Allah is saying, and we send heavy winds, or according to you, fertilized winds, then it causes rain. Allah sends fertilized winds. So, if it is already pre-fertilized by Allah, it is not showing any evaporation. Heavy winds. Actually, it is heavy winds, but it doesn't matter how you take it. I don't care. I don't care how you take it. The problem is, this is not showing that Allah, these winds are being fertilized by water and they are carrying the water up in the air.
Man,
it is not showing that.
You don't listen me. You understand me wrong.
I listen to you and I listen to your stupidity, and I'm listening to your stupidity from the last 3 weeks.
Winds are not fertilized. Winds are fertilizing vapor with aerosols and dust particles. Wind is the thing that fertilizes them.
So, okay, perfect. Thank you so very much. Correct translation. Very good. Now you are right. Thank you. Now this guy has said it right. Allah sends fertilizing winds. This is the correct translation. And if you see the tafsir, it says the same thing, that this water that is fertilized because of this rain. Allah sends fertilizing winds because these winds are throwing water down as rains so that it could fertilize the earth. This is how you destroy an idiot. And I have destroyed him again and again and again and again. But he is so arrogant and stiff-necked. And Allah says in the Quran, Al-Mutakabbir are going to be in hell, and this arrogant is going to be in hell, and he is going to be in hell here as well because of his arrogance. And that is how I destroy arrogance. Thank you so very much. So thank you. Allah sends fertilizing winds, the winds which fertilizes the ground because and sends down water from the sky. This is what Allah is doing. Allah is not fertilizing the winds.
Wait, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. You now translated wrong because why? If you look at the verse, it says, وَأَرْسَلْنَا الرِّيَاحَ لَوَاقِحِ. We send winds as fertilizer. And what does it say directly after?
No, not says as fertilizers. It doesn't say as fertilizer. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Zoom in right now. Zoom into your page that you're showing. Zoom it in. Zoom it in. More, more. Read what you said and highlighted. Read. And we send the wind fertilizing, not as fertilizing. And other translation you wrote, we send the winds to fertilize. See, you have two translations on your screen, not on my screen. And they're saying, shut up, Muhammad Ali. Both of your translation, that is you showing, not even me. It is you who brought this up. It is your page that you are showing. And it's saying Allah sends winds to fertilize. To fertilize. Read it on your screen that you are showing. Read it.
Okay, there is no problem with this. The problem is with this. Listen me.
Read what the translations are.
Okay, I just signed impregnating and fertilize. Only these two words are important. I didn't mean that all the meanings is accurate. I don't trust all the tafsirs. The thing is
all right. So now, Muhammad Ali, you should you should now be ashamed of yourself. You have been demolished, destroyed, finitoed,
not destroyed.
And even from your own screen. Get lost. You're done, buddy. Don't come back again. You're done. I finished you at least 20 times now. I'm going to play this on my channel again. You are again finished, just like you were finished 10 times before. And you are again finished. Say bye-bye to everyone. I'll give you 1 minute to say bye-bye to everyone.
You lost. Don't escape, man. I'm here for you, man.
I lost.
I
Okay,
made
go
one
play
for you.
in your channel that you made me lose, and I will show this as well. Get lost. Harami. Sala.